welcome to another video, and today we're gonna do another tier list like last time, but this time we have, I forgot his name, whatever. This time we have two more brawlers, Gus and Sam. So yeah, and also we have the new balance changes, so this tier list is probably gonna be much different. So we'll start with Shelley. C. Shelley, like, starting brawler, pretty good as well. It's good in bushy maps. Colt, Colt is C. It's very hard to aim. Nita's actually got a big buff, not an F, probably an A actually. You can get much more bears now, and yeah. Bulls can be good in most times, like bushy maps, and yeah. Jessie, she's very good in like heist. Yeah, heist. Like top pick for heist, and yeah. That's basically her main mode. Bo, I'll put Bo in B. B for Bo. Crow, that nerf is very big to him. Like 5 seconds to 3 seconds, like that. I might have to put him C or B. I'll change that later. Mortis can be really good in the right times. Like if you're good at Mortis, he's literally like S, but sometimes he's probably B. So yeah. Barley's not the best. C. Primo. El Primo, you're going down in D. The first D. It's a tank, but it's not the best tank. Can count as tank, and is a tank. It's just weird, and yeah. Poco used to be like maybe F or D, but now he's literally OP, dude. I'll put him S. Like Poco's gonna be like everywhere now. His buff got so big. He does so much damage. Spike. Oh no. I'll do Spike later. Brock. Yeah. You can go B. Like, it's very... The reload speed's really weird. Rico, B. Dynamite, C. Bell, B. No, that's not Bell. Wait, did I say Bell? Piper, that's Piper. Jet, this guy. Tara, A. Pam. One of the best supports. Daryl, A. Penny got enough, but not very much. Like I think that was like 300 health. Not good enough to go down. Frank, C. Leon, B. Jean, B. I'm kind of getting used to G now, but Carl, A. Rosa, the boxing botness, B. You can go B. You're B. Tick. Yeah, you can be so annoying sometimes. You might go and C. You're like so slow. I'm putting you in C. Don't really like it. You do like so much damage, but you're so slow. Sandy, you can go in B. B can go in B. Oh, Max, I think you can go in S. Like Crow, like your biggest weakness. Where did Crow go? Oh yeah, there. He used to be the big weakness. it used to be 5 seconds. That was like the hard counter, and everyone picked Crow. But now he's nerfed. Now Max is gonna thrive. Mr. P. Should I D? Yeah, you go in D. You can go in C. You're good in Showdown, but anywhere else, like Power League, like not the best. Sprout, the annoying brawler, you can go and B. You don't do much damage, in my opinion. Gale, you're gonna be good. You can go Nay. Nanny. Later. Surge, you can go in A. You're quite good. Colette. Should I? Okay, you can go there. Amber, you can go here. Not really top pick. Should I? Yeah, whatever. Lou. Should I? You can go there. Ice Cream Man. Byron's like still. Hey. Byron, come back here. Byron's still quite a good healer. Like, heals so much. Like, you have to kill the Byron. Literally. B. You can go on B. You're not very good in like maybe gem grab. But in Showdown you're like S, but I'll burn you B. Colonel Ruff. Also, Edgar's not very good in top Power League. Your buff's quite good. You can go B. Stu, you get to go in S. Yeah. Also, Stu's probably my favorite brawler now. Like, it's so fun. You go dash around someone. You heal so much. Anyways, Belle, you can actually go in A. You can go in there. Squeak, like low A. Like, it's now good. Buzz, you're good now. You got a 300 health buff. That's gonna be enough to like survive like an extra hit by someone. Oh, sorry, you got a new gadget. That's cool. You might actually go in S. Like, I'm not sure. This actually might go in S. Should I? Like, it's like a weakness. It counters Poco Loco. You can go in S. Now we have Trash Guy. Not trash, it's... Should I be it? Oh, you can actually go Nay. You're pretty good. Meg, you got a good buff. I think it got buff, right? You get one less shot. I'm not sure. Did it get buff? If it didn't get buff, it's gonna be in B. But I think it got buffed. Lola, you can go in A. Am I happy with this? Yeah. Grummy. That. B. You can go in B. Grum's like probably top B, like top of the B. Fang, you can go in A. If you got like buffed by a little bit, you would be an S, but not really. Eve. Last time I put in C. I don't know why. But this time you can go in B. It's good in water maps, like. But if more maps had water, it would probably be S. But no, it's not the case. Janet, you can go in A. You too, you can go in A as well. Janet, Bunny, you pretty weak. You can go in C. now my opinion. Oh, I need to do Spike first. You can go in A actually. Spike. Actually, S. Yeah. Let me think about it. Never mind. You, Nanny. You can go and B. Not very good. Sam's pretty good, but like, I'm confused about the super. You don't want to go into super form, but like you just like 1,200. That's not very much. And you, so you can go in A. You're so good, actually. You're like good. So guys, this is my tier list, and there's no brawlers in there. You're not that bad. There's only 2 in D. Let me just check through all my tiers list. And yeah, I think this is it. If you like my tier lists, like the video, and yeah, I'm just looking through it. Looks okay. So the top 5 brawlers, the best brawlers, probably Poco something. Should I? Like these 2, pretty good. Brawler, like top A. This is top A, top A, top A. Yeah. So this is my tier list. If you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, bye.